Forex trading strategies, the best Forex trading strategy. Please like this video, it helps the algorithm, and you can visit beststockstrategy.com, enter in your email address and receive over $400 worth of valuable free training information. The best Forex strategies are to not trade Forex. Forex trading is a complete scam, and many of you guys have noticed that I am very critical of day trading, and I believe that 0% of day traders over the long term make money. In fact, in a recent study that was published out of Brazil, I think it was published in August 2019, they equated day trading to playing roulette at a casino. The longer you do it, the more money you're going to lose. And I think it was like the 0.3%, so meaning like 3 out of 1,000 people who are profitable and who don't lose money by trading Forex, those people actually make less money than a bank teller. So I think that they make less than minimum wage. Now, Forex trading is actually worse, and the reason is that there's significant and substantial counterparty risk, meaning that there is a high likelihood, or at least a decent likelihood, that the broker is trading against you, or the broker is going to be insolvent and the broker is actually going to steal your money. So you're not really dealing with legitimate brokerages who are clearing your trades. I know that Interactive Brokers is very legitimate and you can trade Forex with them, but most of the major brokerages like a Schwab, Fidelity, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, they do not allow you to trade in Forex, at least to my recollection or to my knowledge. So again, day trading, you will be profitable around 0.3% of the time, but if you're lucky enough to be profitable consistently, like those 0.3%, you will make less than minimum wage. Forex trading is even worse. With the heightened leverage and also with the counterparty risk, your chances of actually being profitable and making enough money to sustain yourself are, in my opinion, 0%. So all of those fake gurus who are telling you that you can trade Forex because there's massive leverage, they are lying to you. They are fake gurus who are trying to separate you from your money. They are playing upon your inherent greed to turn $200 or $500 into $50,000 or $200,000, and you are going to lose all of your money. David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. So remember, the best Forex trading strategy is to not trade Forex at all. Do not trade Forex. You will lose your money. It is worse than day trading. Please leave a comment below. Like this video. I respond to everyone's comment. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help you, and I appreciate your attention.